I created a movie trailer with AI. Believe me, making a movie trailer for completely free is annoying. Creating such a trailer is so easy. But where is trailer? Oh, wait, let me show you.
We are anonymous. We'll not stop until you cry.
Almost there. Just a few more seconds.
One hacker is about to challenge the system.
We've been compromised! Shut everything down!
Everything looks secure. No breaches so far.
Let's keep it that way. Got it. I'm in.
Risks are greater than ever, isn't it?
Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up!
This is it. No turning back.
Stop right there!
Only the smartest will survive.
We're too late.
I created this in a hurry, and I know it's not a good trailer, but I guarantee you can create ones on another level. This is my promise. I'll show you how to create more amazing trailers for completely free in the next video, and also how people are getting thousands and millions of views from these AI-generated trailers.